Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Google Lens. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to log out for your account on Google Lens, then you will need to log out from your Google account within your device altogether. However, this might create some problems for your other applications. So in order to simply log out from Google Lens, long press on the Google Lens application and then tap on the info button. You will now be taken into the application info page for Google Lens. Tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first and then tap on OK to stop the app. Then scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button, and this will delete all of your user data for the Google Lens app. And now you have been logged out from your Google Lens application. If you open the application once again, you will be logged back in using your Google account that is already logged into your device, or you will be asked to sign in to your Google account. And there you have it. That is how you can log out from your account on Google Lens. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.